Ngucanio gatagati ga ciama cia arutani ikonie no ufatie guthomithia na kuria arutwo thiini wa junior secondary mafatie guthomera no irethegea. Umuthi kiama kia arutani KNUT gigitongorio ni mwandiki munene Collins Oyu gikioneka kwaga kuiguithaniria na murugamo wa kiama kia arutani a secondary kuppet aria riendekithie arutwo aya guthamirio thukuru-ini cia secondary.
I have the mandate of teachers in this country who are members of KNUT, who are very loyal to decisions that are made out of proper consultations to say junior secondary schools should remain domiciled in primary schools. So whoever thinks otherwise, I think is taking this country back.
Hindi ya gikaro na andiki a mohoro mwena wa Naivasha, KNUT, ngwataniro-ini na kiama kia arutani anene a thukuru cia muthingi maugite riendekithia ria kuppet ritire na mithingi o yothe kuona ni kwari na ihinda riganu ria gucokaniriria mendekithia ma anyiti itemi mbere ya gukinyaniria itua ria arutwo a junior secondary guthii na mbere guthomera thukuru-ini cia muthingi.
I don't think it is wise to talk about where junior secondary should be domiciled at this time. Let us not confuse this nation. Let us not confuse this sector.
So anybody with information from a certain office alleging that there is confusion, they want them to create the notion of confusion which is not there.
Oyu ona kuhanoro uguo agetekera ni gukoretwo na murito gukinyaniria githomo kia arutwo a grade ya mugwanja ari hamwe na unyihu wa arutani mafuku na kigina kia mahuthiro ma arutwo mathina maria augite thirikari ni ratangikira.
What we want to request the government to do, and more so Teacher Service Commission, can you hasten the program of deploying primary school teachers who are qualified to teach junior secondary so that these learners can learn like the rest.
Ciama ici cierĩ ni iteteire kamiti iria ikoretwo ikimurika mogaruruku sekta-ini ya githomo makiuga mugaru na uria kiama gia kuppet kirendekithia kamiti ino guteanirio o ni maranyita baru uruti wira wayo.
We support the presidential working party and their views. You know too well, much as I do, that the presidential working party has not concluded their work. Can we give them time with the necessary support so that they come back and give us the final position that they have?
Maya mokite riri kamiti ya kwandika wira arutani TSC yongereire ihinda kuri arutani aria marenda kwambatirio ngathi guthomithia thiini wa thukuru cia junior secondary guthii na mbere gwikihoya mihang'o ino riu igitanywo kuhingwo tariki 23 mweri uyu.
Yes, so
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV Githagathago wa Waduro.
Board of Kepsha.
Let them come.